Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we can see a normal Monday market, means less volume, less volatility, and market is kind of flat here. And if you look at the economic calendar also, you can see that we have holidays on euro, so mostly you can expect the market to remain flat today. So first of all, let's discuss about the chart of DXY or US dollar index. DXY is standing at 105.81. We can see that it is almost standing at a swing high. The overall sentiment for US dollar is bullish right now, but obviously market will not be going up in a straight line. If DXY shows retracement, we can expect the next support to be around 105.40, and if market shows very big retracement, then obviously we can expect 105.00 to be the next support. My dear friends, we have drawn FIBO here. You can see if we draw FIBO, we have FIBO 0.236 at 105.45, and we also have the 50 moving average coming up, and around 105.20 we have the previous support as well as FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, and around 105 we have FIBO 50% retracement level. So we have multiple layers of support. So if DXY drops also, we can expect it to take support and bounce back. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that to continue the upside, the US dollar index need to break 106. But in this situation, chances of market breaking 106 are very less. If it does also by the European session, do not trust it. Okay, wait for 1 to 2 hours, because whenever market breaks a level with less volume, okay, there's a high chance that it will be a false breakout, and we can clearly see right now that volume is pretty less. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So my dear friends, we can see the market is flat. This is the hourly chart here. So if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So after this fall, sideways market is consolidating. And as we all know, consolidation is part of the game. So market sentiment is kind of flat, and we can see that we have holiday season going on. So if market goes up also, there should not be much volume. So if we, what I'm saying, so we can expect the first resistance to be around 1.0705 and the second resistance to be around 1.071520. 1.0705, we are looking for a quick selling opportunity because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average. So if market reverses, if you see market struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button. If you can score 10 to 15 pips also in this flat market, it is good enough. Okay, but if market surprises us, after all, market is full of surprises. Peekaboo. So if market surprises us, we can look for second selling opportunity around 1.0715 to 1.0720. Because of FIBO 50% retracement level, you can see this is the level from where market fell. It will be working as resistance. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average. If we combine all the factors, 1.0715, 1.0720 seems to be a good zone of sellers. So obviously if market goes up also, market will face some resistance around the area. If market drops, we can obviously look for a sell position. But if market doesn't go for retracement, then the only trading opportunity is sell at breakdown. But for a proper breakout or breakdown, obviously volume is very important, and right now we can see that we do not have much volume. So if market breaks 1.0666, we can look for a sell position, but be careful. If you see market going down with candles like this, then obviously you need to avoid it. But by the US session, okay, if we see that there's a sudden drop in the market, dollar index is flying, DXY is trading above 106, then you can look for a sell. Okay, otherwise try to avoid sell at breakdown. Okay, sell at retracement seems to be a safer trading strategy. Now let's look at the chart of British pound US dollar, popularly known as the cable. Here also we have a similar trading strategy. After the fall here, we are looking for sell on rise because sellers are dominating, technically at least, and the market sentiment is also bullish for DXY. So considering everything, if we look for a sell at resistance, okay, it seems to be a safe trading strategy. So here also we have, my dear friends, two levels. The first level is around 1.2667 to 1.2673. This is the first zone where we are looking for a sell opportunity, and the second selling opportunity is around 1.2682 to 1.2688, and this is our second resistance. Okay, 1.2667 to 1.2673, 1.2682 to 1.2688. These are the two levels where we will be looking for selling opportunity on the chart of GBP USD. Just like euro dollar, we can see that because of lack of volume, market is flat. There is not much activity in the market right now. If we draw FIBO here, we can see our FIBO is doing a fine job at this moment. So if market goes up, we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Listen to me carefully. FIBO for 38.2% retracement level. The previous support is working as resistance. You can also see strong price rejection earlier around this area. So if we combine all the factors in this market situation, especially where we have less volume, definitely market will find it troublesome to break the level of 1.267073. If market reverses, we can look for a sell position. But if market breaks it, then the second selling opportunity will be around 1.2682 to 88 because of FIBO 50% retracement level. And along with that, you can see this is also the level from where market fell previously. So this is a resistance. Along with that, we also have the 100 moving average, which will be working as the dynamic resistance. So if we combine all the factors, then yes, this also seems to be a nice selling opportunity. So let's wait and watch. If market reverses, then only look for a sell. Okay, because in case market surprises or shocks everyone with sudden buying, okay, buying, then obviously we need to avoid it. If you see the market is standing at 1.2670 with a big green candle, then obviously you need to avoid it. Trading and common sense go side by side. Do not forget it. And if market doesn't go for retracement, we can look for a sell at breakdown below 1.2620. And here also the same thing is applicable because of lack of volume. Okay, taking a sell at breakdown is very risky right now because without proper volume, there cannot be a breakout or breakdown. So if market breaks also, observe the size of the candle. If you see market going down with small candles, try to avoid it. And for additional confirmation, you can look at the chart of DXY. It will be helping you out. Okay, but overall the market sentiment is not very positive, so that's why I'm not looking for any buy position personally. But if market sentiment changes by the US session or by tomorrow, then obviously it's a different chapter. But technically and fundamentally, things are not very positive for both Euro USD and GBP USD. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And if you like the video, then please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.